Biomass briquette machine. We use the dry powder-sized biomass waste like sawdust, rice husk, peanut shell, and we use this briquette machine under high pressure and high temperature. We add in the biomass materials without any additives. The final briquettes, hot ceiling is diameter 50 mm and the length is adjustable. It's very high density. Customers use these briquettes directly using a heating log or put into the carbonization furnace to make the charcoal. Stable performance and high efficiency. Turn the biomass waste into the valuable heating source, heating fuel. Contact him for solution and quotation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.